সফল হতে গেলে স্বপ্ন দেখতে হয়, আর সেই স্বপ্নটাই দেখেছেন কোচ কিবু ভিকুনা। আর সেই স্বপ্ন দেখেছেন বলে আজ প্রথমবার ডুরান্ড কাপে অংশগ্রহণ করে ফাইনালে পৌঁছে গিয়েছে ডায়মন্ড হারবার এফসি।
মায়েরা এবং বোনেরা, মহিলা মহল নিয়ে আবার এসে গেছি তোমাদের বেলাদি।
নমস্কার দর্শক বন্ধু, এক্সট্রিম বাংলায় আপনাদের সকলকে স্বাগত। আমি রৌনক রয়েছি যুবভারতী ক্রীড়াঙ্গনে, যে যুবভারতী ক্রীড়াঙ্গনে এক ঐতিহাসিক জয় ছিনিয়ে নিয়েছেন কিবু ভিকুনা এবং তার দল, এবং ইস্ট বেঙ্গলকে পরাজিত করে ডায়মন্ড হারবার দল পৌঁছে গিয়েছে ডুরান্ড কাপ 2025-এর ফাইনালে। শুধু স্বপ্ন দেখাই নয়, প্রতিপক্ষকে সম্মান জানাতেও ভুলেন নেই। একদিকে যখন অস্কার বুজো বলছেন যে প্রথম গোলটা ফাউল, দ্বিতীয় গোলটা হ্যান্ডবল, তখন তাকে যখন প্রশ্ন করা হয়, কিবু ভিকুনা বলছেন যে অস্কার বুজো তো আমাকে বললেন খুব ভালো খেলিয়েছেন, আর সেই খুব ভালো খেলানোর প্রশংসাটাকেই নিজের কাছে রাখতে চান। তিনি বললেন তিনি কোনো বিতর্কে জড়াতে চান না। আর ফাইনালে উঠে আর কীভাবে এই সফলতাটা এলো, কীভাবে শূন্য থেকে শুরু করে আজ পাহাড়ের চূড়ায় উঠল ডায়মন্ড হারবার এফসি, সেই রাস্তার যে কঠিন লড়াইগুলোর সম্মুখীন হয়েছিলেন কোচ কিবু ভিকুনা, সব নিয়ে কথা বললেন আজকে ইস্ট বেঙ্গলকে পরাজিত করার পর। চলুন তার মুখ থেকে শুনে নিই কীভাবে তিনি এই অসাধ্য সাধন করলেন।
This is football and this is life, no? We were losing 5-1 against Wolverhampton in the group stage. We were close to don't qualify to quarterfinals because we were depending of the goal difference. But after that, we were winning 12 set teams, no? Just put away, and we can say even East Bengal away also, no? Because we were playing with all the supporters of East Bengal. So we are with humility, because you know that this is football, and one time you are up and one time you are down. But I'm very proud. I remember that yesterday I was saying that to these boys, to the four of the team, individually and as a team, we cannot say we can do more. We did our best, and sometimes it's enough, and sometimes it's not enough. And when you are doing your best, tactically and in terms of commitment, responsibility, discipline, hard work, we cannot ask for more. And today was enough. So we are very happy. Better we can do more. So always we can do better, but more today we could do. It's not a question of me. It's a question of Diamond Harbour work tonight. It's not a question of names. It's a question of the club, the team. It's the team effort, especially. See, coaches. Sometimes we are very proud or we have ego, but the main characters of the field are the players. The main characters of the movie are the players, and today I'm very happy for them. Of course, for the management, of course, for the supporters, of course, for the coaching staff, but especially for the players. Yes, we are practicing set pieces, and sometimes you are scoring, sometimes you are not scoring. We have good set pieces takers, and also good people in there attacking the ball. No? So see, also there are moments that we are scoring more goals. So yes, but we are training the set pieces, and also we are changing some of them depending on the opponent, or depending if the opponent knows what you are going to do, etc. Like any other team, we want to win. That's it. I mean, I don't want to do. Especially because with Oscar I have a good relation, and I don't want to say something that he after the game he told me that we did really well, congratulations, and for me this is the most important. And then for tomorrow we will think in Nordics, no? They are there for the former champion, as usual, very good players, also Andy, Cheva Núñez, that is very good Spanish player. Aladin, also very good Indian player. The coaching staff, the coach is doing fantastically well. So let's recover. Let's try to recover as best as possible. And and then we will prepare the game with the same intention to raise the trophy. Reaching the final.
Yes.
First, that's something you have to dream that you are going to make. If you are not dreaming, you are not believing in your team, and if you are believing in yourself, you are not getting anything. So, of course, and also you have to be lucky, because see, we are not playing. We are a team that we are a new team now, and we are playing against the best team in India, the best teams in India. With Mohun they won because they are a fantastic team, and at the same time they play 40 minutes and we struggle. But the lesson of that day helped us to be better today. And I think that we play the best way we can play against Jamshedpur and East Bengal. And I'm very proud for it, but still a lot of things to improve, a lot of things to work to be better, and see humility, because we are a minor team, and we know that it's going to be difficult to get our objectives this season. But also at the same time, we are in the final and we are going to be ambitious. With ambition to try to win the final, we try to prepare the game as best as possible. We have only 2 days to prepare the game. But without excuses, we have 2 games and we are very happy that we are going to play the final. You told me yesterday that Northeast has 1 more medal. I tell you, doesn't matter, because we are in the final and we are going to try to win. The performance of Mikel was fantastic, outstanding performance and very beautiful ball. Regarding the second question, nothing is impossible in football. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible in football, especially. There are other sports that normally the better team is winning, but in football not always the best team is winning. And we were working very hard. We were most of the time behind the ball, waiting for our chance, and we convert, and that's why we are in the final. So let's enjoy, because not always you are getting the results. No? So we have to enjoy the moment.
Extra time.
লেটেস্ট নিউজ আর এক্সক্লুসিভ ভিডিওর সঙ্গে আপডেট থাকতে এখনই সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করতে ভুলবেন না যেন।